Every year, Samsung kicks things off with a bang, unveiling its next-gen Galaxy S Ultra, packed with cutting-edge AI, powerful Snapdragon/Exynos chipsets, and the strongest Gorilla Glass yet. And as always, the Ultra series sits at the top of the food chain, boasting beastly performance, premium design, and that signature S Pen legacy. But while the Galaxy S Ultra keeps evolving, there's always room for refinements, bold new features, and fan-requested upgrades. As we anticipate Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra, let's dive into the ultimate wishlist of features that could make it the best Android phone yet. 1. Bring back the curves, comfort matters. Samsung's Ultra design has gone through a major transformation, shifting from curvy comfort, Galaxy S23 Ultra, to flat-edged sharpness, Galaxy S25 Ultra. While flat frames offer a modern aesthetic, they're not ideal for long-term usability. For the Galaxy S26 Ultra, curves need to make a comeback. Rounded edges allow for a better grip, making it more ergonomic for daily use. Plus, it would set Samsung apart, as brands like Google and Nothing embrace flat edges. 2. Revamp the camera bump, give it personality. Samsung's camera design has slowly become too minimalistic. With each lens sitting in isolated circular cutouts, the visual appeal is lacking compared to the bold, standout designs of OnePlus and Pixel phones. A contour-cut camera bump, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, could add depth, style, and extra lens protection. Samsung has already played with larger protrusions, but a redesigned bump would bring aesthetic charm back to the Ultra lineup. 3. Reintroduce 10x optical zoom. The Zoom King returns. The Galaxy S Ultra has always been Samsung's zoom powerhouse, but downgrading to 5x optical zoom felt like a step back from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10x sensor. Samsung must restore a true 10x telephoto lens, allowing for sharp long-range shots without over-reliance on AI cropping. A hybrid setup, combining 3x optical plus 10x periscope zoom, would be a dream for mobile photographers. 4. Supercharge the S Pen, make it useful again. Samsung's S Pen legacy took a surprising hit with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, dropping key features like Air Actions, Bluetooth LE, and remote shutter controls. Without these capabilities, it's just a stylus, and an expensive one at that. For Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung must restore full S Pen functionality. Gesture-based controls, smart shortcuts, and advanced writing-to-text features should make a comeback, ensuring the Ultra truly earns its Pro badge. 5. Adopt true Qi 2 wireless charging. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra was Qi 2 ready, it lacked built-in magnets, requiring a third-party case for MagSafe-like charging. If Samsung wants to stay competitive, full Qi 2 integration should be standard in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Adding strong magnetic alignment would improve wireless efficiency, allowing users to charge seamlessly without needing extra accessories. 6. Boost battery and charging speeds, no more settling. Samsung's 5000 mAh battery and 45W wired charging have remained unchanged for years. Meanwhile, competitors like OnePlus and Motorola offer faster charging, 80W, 68W, and bigger batteries, 6000 mAh. For Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung must level up, fire silicon carbon battery tech for higher capacity, 6000 mAh or more. High-voltage ultra-fast 80W charging, no more waiting over an hour for a full charge. Battery improved USB-C efficiency, universal compatibility across accessories.